How do you change your VPN's location? It's what VPNs are built to do, but how simple is it? And what are the restrictions? If you found yourself asking any or all of those questions, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your location with a VPN and how to check that it's definitely worked. I'll demonstrate using a few different VPNs that we recommend to help you get started too. I'm Callum from Top 10 VPN. Let's get started. The good news is that changing your VPN location is super simple. It's basically the primary function of any VPN, so it's usually made nice and clear just how you do it. Oftentimes, you don't even have to pick an actual server location. Let's use ExpressVPN as an example. When you open up the app, you'll see this big power button and a chosen VPN server underneath it. Take a closer look though. It's a location near to you, right? Maybe even in the same country or perhaps city as you. That's because the VPN has chosen a smart location for you. If all you want to do is activate the VPN and start protecting your device, then just click the big button and you're all set. Most quality VPNs will have a feature like this. If you'd rather choose a location for yourself, perhaps because you need an IP address from within a specific country, then there's one quick extra step you need to take. If we click the menu button next to the server location, we'll be shown the location selection menu. It's pretty self-explanatory. Each option represents a server in a different region. The better the VPN, the more options you'll have. Pick the one you want and then connect the VPN. That's really all there is to it, nothing to be worried about. Of course, different VPNs have different designs and may do things slightly differently to ExpressVPN here, but in our experience, highly rated VPN apps are usually pretty intuitive. Let's look at another popular VPN for comparison's sake, NordVPN. It's maybe not quite as clear what you need to do as ExpressVPN, but if you were to guess, you'd probably still get it right. Here, we just click on the location we want and NordVPN does the rest. How about another? IPVanish looks different to both ExpressVPN and NordVPN, but the process is still straightforward. Click the Locations menu on the left, then scroll down the list until you find the VPN city or country you want. Click on it, and you'll connect automatically. Now that you've successfully changed your VPN location, there's one last optional step. We think that it's usually worthwhile to perform a quick test to make sure that the VPN is actually doing what it says it is. This isn't 100% necessary if you're using a reputable VPN, but things can still go wrong, and it can't hurt to make sure. Open up your web browser of choice and go to the top10vpn.com IP checker tool. I've put a link to it for you in the description below. First, visit the tool with your VPN turned off. What you'll see is your real IP address and location. Here you can see ours, where we're filming this video from. Now, select a new VPN location. Anyone is fine. Refresh the tool and you should see a brand new set of details. This is what the rest of the internet now sees when you use a site or service. This works for Wi-Fi, wired internet, and your mobile cellular data too, by the way. There's no hidden catch when changing a VPN location like this, but there are a couple of factors to bear in mind because they could affect what you want to do. The big one is the VPN server selection. You can only change location to a specific country if the VPN has a server there. ExpressVPN, for example, has servers in nearly 100 countries. It should almost certainly offer what you need. Compare that to a VPN like VPN.ac, for example. It's a good service, fast, secure, private, but it only has servers in a little over 20 countries. That could be a pretty big inconvenience. Be sure to think about which countries you want to connect to before you go shopping for a VPN. The other catch is to be mindful for what sort of VPN you're using and on what device. For example, if you activate a VPN browser extension within Chrome or Firefox or something like that, you'll only be able to change your location within that web browser. Any apps or programs you use on the rest of your device will still use your true location and IP address. Similarly, while you might have your VPN installed on all of your devices, like your smartphone, laptop, and tablet, you need to make sure it's connected before using each one. Turning it on one device won't turn it on another. Simple stuff, right? As long as you make sure to play it safe and use a well-reviewed, reputable VPN, you've got nothing to worry about. For more information, you can check out our reviews of the VPNs we've mentioned in this video, or you can read our full guide to changing your VPN location. All can be found in the links below. If you think this video has been useful and you'd like to see more stuff like this, then dropping us a like and subscribing to the channel is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.